Alright, man. I just got your belt out. Let's see if she squeals on us. I ain't crunk it up at all. This will be the first start with no accessories running. Oh, fuck, might help if I use the right key. I guess a Nissan key won't start in a Ford. It went in there though and dinged your lights off. That's surprising. Alright, let's see. Yeah, brother, that's your water pump. Yep, there's your belt. There ain't nothing running. Nothing in there. Yeah, that's your water pump, brother. 100% coming straight from that valley.